Can we just talk about how special food becomes the more you invest in it? Like your time, your money, your effort, your energy, just everything that you invest into food and like where your food comes from and being more knowledgeable about stuff like that. I feel like it just makes food so much more special. I just picked up some eggs from a local farm. So beautiful. And I'm so excited to use them. And every time I buy from her and I bring these beautiful eggs into my house, I'm like so intentional about how I use them because I don't want to waste them. And it's not even about that they were expensive because they're obviously more expensive than like the cheapo eggs you can get at Walmart. It's just they're more special, you know? And so you want to use them like very intentionally. And I'm already thinking like I can make a carrot cake with them. That would be so cute and special. Um, just things like that. And same for produce. I try and grow a lot of vegetables myself now. And when I finally reap stuff from the garden, I'm personally more inclined to use it and to use it more intentionally because I know how much time and effort and energy and money it took. Sorry about that. For me to grow it. I even remember buying local produce from a farmer's market and the heirloom tomatoes were so expensive. I didn't I didn't mind so much because I mean if you can't grow it, you buy it, like it's going to cost what it's going to cost, but I remember bringing these tomatoes home and being like they're so special, like I'm not just going to let them rot in the fridge or waste. Like I'm going to slice it beautifully, put it in a sandwich beautifully, make a beautiful pico out of it, like something like that. And maybe it was because it was expensive. I feel like I also just have an appreciation for these kinds of things. And I feel like the kind of like fast food you can get at Walmart, it's just not as special. You don't really care as much if you waste the dollar loaf of bread. Um, Whereas if you spent, the whole weekend making a loaf of sourdough, you're going to be a little bit more intentional with how you use it. And I just think it's really special to start, collecting food from a local farm and the farmer's market and making my own bread and cooking becomes more of an experience. I don't know if this is making any sense, but I think it's really special and I encourage you to grow your food, buy it from somebody local, just try it and you'll see what I'm talking about.